Hi and welcome back to Pressurelicious. My name is Presha Bharti and welcome to episode number 9 of Dates Gone Wrong. Episode number 9's title is Where I Just Couldn't Breathe. I was living in Mumbai. This happens to be last year. I came across this writer. I found him cute and then we decided to meet and I called him near my place. So I used to live in Juhu and there's this coffee place called Coffee by Dibella. So I called him there. We met. He came across as a very nice, sweet guy and he also got his writing stuff, which was interesting. So he read me out few stuff that he had written. So काफ़ी interesting था वो. And then we went to the beach, had a stroll, and we just, connected really well. Then next day again, we planned to meet. This time we made a dinner plan. Then very sweetly we had dinner, we had a sweet little chat. An okayish date. The first date was seemingly better. Second date not so much. Then after I think couple of days we again planned to meet, and this time I wanted to eat at Prithvi Cafe. They have amazing food. My favorite was the parathas there and the hot chocolate. I went with him, ordered my usual paratha and he ordered pav bhaji. And then he gave me a stare. And I just couldn't really, it made me feel really uncomfortable. Before I continue the story, he did not, he did not believe in the concept of deodorant or perfume or what, but his body odor was really bad, like really bad. Of course, पहले एक दो बारी जब तुम मिलते हो तो ऐसे किसी को नहीं बोल सकते हो. Not कि मैं थर्ड डेट में भी बोलने वाली थी, but it's just weird. पहले मुझे लगा कि जल्दी जल्दी में आ गया इसलिए भूल गया होगा. Second time भी ऐसे हो गया तो अब मुझे थोड़ा अजीब लगने लगा. We went to Prithvi Cafe again. He was like stinking so bad, so bad. ऑर्डर दे दिया. I let the waiter go. फिर उसके बाद मैंने उससे पूछा क्या हुआ, why are you staring me like that? तो उसने पूछा
Presha, you're an actor, so
here comes the bomb.
So tell me something. What is stopping you from becoming a successful actor? You are trained, you do your job pretty well, I've seen your audition and stuff. So what exactly is stopping you?
I'm like, the opportunities that I haven't got yet, like I'm auditioning and all, not that I'm leaving any stone unturned from my end. He's like,
Are you sure?
I'm like, what do you mean? He's like,
Well, haven't you seen actresses, how they look? Look at yourself, you're all fat. Like, shouldn't you be more diet conscious? You ordered a paratha and hot chocolate. Don't you have to follow a diet to reach a certain body type? I mean, look at your body.
and I was like, क्या बोल रहा है ये बंदा? इसको मार खानी है क्या? क्या बोले जा रहा है ये? I was so shocked कि कैसे बोल सकता है ये? Okay. तो उसने ये चपर 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 पूरा बोला. मैं उस टाइम इतनी शॉक्ड थी कि अगर मुझे थोड़ा भी अगर मैं मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड होती इतने बड़े डायनामाइट जो गिराने वाला था उसके लिए, तो आई एम नॉट अ पर्सन कि जो मेरे ऐसे कुछ भी बोल दे या बेइज्जती कर दे तो मैं चुपचाप सुनूंगी. तो ऐसी तो मैं नहीं हूँ. बट उस दिन आई वॉज जस्ट लाइक, ही जस्ट बॉडी शेम्ड मी. And I am supposed to put up with that disgusting body odor of his, it was just like कि वो 100 साल से ना नहाया हो. इतना ज़्यादा strong था. मैं अगर सांस लेना चाहती थी तो मुझे उस साइड मुँह करके सांस लेनी पड़ती थी और फिर उस साइड बात करनी पड़ती थी. It was that bad. Then उसके बाद he has the audacity to body shame me. मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा था मैं क्या करूँ. मैं लाइक खाना भी आ चुका था तो ऐसा भी नहीं कि मैं वर्कआउट कर सकती. वो बोल रहा है कि
Look at Deepika Padukone, look at Alia Bhatt, look at all these actresses. They're like so fit and skinny and stuff, and look at yourself. And
I was like, I'm an actor, I'm supposed to be known by my acting skills. Losing weight or gaining weight is absolutely a character's requirement. If I'm required to lose weight, I would. If I'm required to gain weight, I will do that. Right now, I don't have any work that requires me to be in a certain body type. I thought to myself, maybe he's ignorant and maybe I should just explain it to him in such a way that ये बात और ज़्यादा ना बिगड़े, क्योंकि मेरा तो दिमाग खराब हो चुका था. So how you perceive, like beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. I am beautiful in my own way. I really find myself beautiful, and I have honed my acting skills to such a level where I can play any part, whatever I want, and body is just the instrument that I can module in my own way. Like if I have to reduce or gain or do whatever, I can do it. तो मैं काफ़ी like mature तरीके से उसको ये बात समझाने की कोशिश कर रही थी. And I'm like, according to this logic, actresses like Vidya Balan or Rani Mukherjee or Kajol or Rebel Wilson in Hollywood, who was in Pitch Perfect 3, and then Charlize Theron, who was in Monster. तो ये सबको तो एक्ट्रेस होना ही नहीं चाहिए था, क्योंकि ये सारी एक्ट्रेसेस तो मोटी हैं. Then he kept mum for a while. Then I told him, like, how could you think like an art like acting needs to be of a certain body type? I need to be the body of the character who I embody. Right? So if I'm playing a character, so I need to look like that character because I am that character. Right now, I am just me. I am beautiful in my own way. So how dare you put me down because of my body or because of the choice that I have made in my life of what career I want to pursue? I was so put off. I was so put off. I was just taken aback. I was so offended. I felt chota. I felt very chota. Like the way that derogatory remark he made, and in the first 2 meetings तो ऐसा मुझे लगा ही नहीं उसके बारे में कि वो इतना बुरा हो सकता है. तो अभी तो मेरा केस में तो I'm not having any body image issues. I don't have. I'm pretty confident in my body. I'm very very confident in my body. Imagine अगर मेरी जगह पे कोई और लड़की होती who probably might have suffered or would be suffering from some body image issues. तो अगर यही इंसान ने उसको बोला होता तुम मोटी हो या तुम्हें पतला होना चाहिए because you're an actor and stuff, and on a date, are you kidding me? So terrible. Like I was just मैं तो परेशान हो जाती हूँ. Like the guys that I meet, क्या बोले कोई क्या बोल सकता है ऐसे इंसान को? And he is my age. He is what, 26, 27. तो इतने साल इतने stereotypes तोड़ने के बाद भी अगर ऐसे and he studied in IIT, ऐसे educated लोग भी इस mindset के साथ आएंगे कि मोटे लोग actor नहीं हो सकते. And believe you me, I do work out, I do take care of my health, but I have PCOD and it's difficult for people to lose weight. And I'm just saying it out there for the people who might be having body image issues, who want to become an actor. I'm super confident, so how really dare you not judge me by my confidence but how the way I look? And that's your problem if you don't find me pretty. I find me pretty. I find me very very pretty. But also let me burst your bubble that here dude, you can't be just have a pretty face and pretty body and become an actor. No, I'm sorry, you need to have those skills. I have those skills. That little dimag of his, I just wanted to just flush it in the toilet. मेरा तो बिल्कुल दिमाग खराब हो गया. Like I enjoy my food. I love my food, okay? And I hate people जो मेरे खाने के टाइम पे ये सब चीज़ें मेरा मूड खराब कर देते हैं basically. क्योंकि मेरा खाना मेरे लिए बहुत important है. फिर उसके बाद I was just like कि खाना खाओ और निकलो यहाँ से. And then I told him, dude, you should really invest in a deodorant because you stink. And then I left. Wow, this date actually was so bad. I despise guys like these. I absolutely despise guys like these. Just a lesson for the women out there, if anyone puts you down or anyone makes you feel bad about your body, whether you're an actor or you're not, or even if you just want to become an actor or a model or whatever that you think requires a certain kind of body, it doesn't. If you're confident in your own skin, believe you me, you can nail absolutely anything. Any outfit you can nail, any role you can nail anything. You just have to be comfortable in those stretch marks, in those flabs, in that loose skin. You just have to be comfortable. That's it. It's you who matters. And it's actually true, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. तो अगर उनको तुम सुंदर नहीं लगते हो तो ये उनकी प्रॉब्लम है, आपकी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आपकी नज़रों में जब आप शीशे में देखो तो आप दुनिया के सबसे सुंदर इंसान होने चाहिए. That's all that matters. Believe you me, that's all that matters. With this, we come to an end of episode number 9 of Dates Gone Wrong. I hope you guys liked this video. I liked sharing this story and this message with you guys. Let's just hope कि वो इतना कचरा और किसी के दिमाग में ना भर दे. But ठीक है, I'm gonna sign out now. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with the final episode of Dates Gone Wrong. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
If I could make you see my wounded heart, you might realize what's the hardest part.